You're not crazy. You're being manipulated. Today, we expose one of the most dangerous manipulation tactics, gaslighting. It's not just lies, it's psychological control that makes you question your own reality.
Mark, can we talk? I saw your phone last night. I saw a message from Sophie.
Laura, you're imagining things again.
It said, miss you too. That's not work.
Laura, you always read too much into everything. You're being paranoid.
I'm not paranoid. I know what I saw.
You probably misread it. You were tired. You know how emotional you get.
I know what I read. Didn't I?
I know what. Sweetheart, you've been so stressed lately. You're seeing things that aren't there. You need to relax and trust me.
Maybe I am overreacting.
Exactly. You always overthink. I'm here to protect you. Just let it go.
He hugs her, and Laura looks down, completely confused and depressed.
This is textbook gaslighting. Mark denies reality. He reframes Laura's valid concerns as emotional instability. Over time, gaslighting makes victims question their memory, emotions, and even sanity. The more Laura doubts herself, the easier she is to control. What she did, what she should have done. What Laura did. Tried to argue about the message. Accepted his narrative. Let him redefine her feelings as overreactions. What she should have done. Recognized the manipulation. Stated her observation confidently. Refused to argue over her own perception. I know what I saw. I trust my own memory. Gaslighting only works when you start doubting yourself. Trust your perception. Protect your reality. You're not losing your mind. You're being manipulated. The more you trust yourself, the weaker the manipulator's power becomes. Subscribe for more episodes as we break down the psychology of toxic relationships. Mind Decoded, Psychology Explained Simply.